What is that smell? It's the smell of a fresh new Clickbank check. See what? Yes! And guess what? I'm gonna cash this bad boy in. This video is gonna be a little bit different than my normal videos. I'm not gonna show you my screen. I'm not gonna go into Bing ads campaigns. Well, maybe I might. I don't know. I'm still trying to make my mind up. But this is from the, I almost said winnings. This is from the results that I told you guys about. So when it comes to making money on Bing ads with this challenge, I'm going to show you what to do with it. Stay tuned. You guys watch me create the campaigns from scratch. You watch me create the keywords and all that stuff. I haven't hit $1,000 per month. I think I'm on day number 9 or 10. I paused everything because I'm gearing up to run this challenge. I'm really having a hard time trying to time manage and all that stuff. So I just put it on pause. But I'm still going to continue the efforts of creating $1,000 during the month. But why not cash in the check that I got from the very same campaign that I showed you guys? So I'm going to show you how much this is. This is $227. That feels awesome. An extra $227. And we made profit on that campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the bank. I'm going to cash this bad boy. I'm going to put it in my business account, and I'm going to use that very same money to run the same campaign. I'm not going to spend any money doing anything else. I'm not paying myself back. The check is too small for me to, take 10% or 20%, put it in my bank account or whatever. 100% is going straight back into my campaigns. Stay tuned. Yeah, at the bank, about to cash in this check. Y'all thought I was playing, man. Look, and this isn't, I'm not doing this to show off or anything. I'm doing this to show you guys that this is real, what I'm doing. Even though this is only a $227 check. Yeah. I got the check right here. Clickbank, this is official, $227. I don't care whether I get a $100 check, a $1,000 check, a $5,000 check. Regardless, I am always excited because this means my business is growing. So, I just want to show you guys that this is real. The steps that I showed you live. This may seem corny to you, but I know for some of you, this is all the proof that you need. I'm doing a deposit. Let's go. Let's go. Select check. Ching. Yeah. There it goes. $227. Give me my card back, Jive Turkey. I now have money deposited. Now, it is time to go back to the lab and start the whole process all over again. But you know what this means? I took money from out of my bank account. I deposited it into Bing ads, and then ran my campaigns, made profit, and now I'm taking that same exact profit and I'm putting it back into business, which means the business is running on itself. Now, the possibilities of me producing another $200-something commission with a, I believe it's about $100 in profit of what we've been. It's a strong possibility. It may not happen, but either way, this process, the whole job of it is to repeat it over and over again. So I was $100 in profit. Somewhere is about use that $100 to send more traffic. Now I also am gathering keywords that's working. Unfortunately, in a previous example, I was not able to grasp the keyword that produced a sell, but I made changes on my URL by changing that question mark TID, which I can probably show you on the screen again. With ClickMagick, and now my sales should be producing on ClickMagick. Again, go ahead at the bottom of this video, check in the description, get your 14-day free trial so that you can use these same techniques and track your links, make money and stuff before your 14 days is over with, so that you don't have to pay any extra money for the membership. But this is all it takes, guys. And then with every sale, your profit will be going up higher and higher and higher, and your business is just going to sustain itself. Eventually you could start including email so that you can start collecting the emails, sending multiple offers to individuals, and building a database. But I just wanted to show this to you guys for inspiration, to show you the same exact campaign that we created has gone from theory to a campaign to an actual paycheck into the bank. This is realistic, guys. We'll see you in the next video.